Sir.
Yes.
Well done, sir.
Ah, Funny Bone.
Sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Good to see you again.
Yes, sir. Sir, I just said let me come and ask you for a favor, sir.
Favor?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, so it's my show.
Okay.
Yes, it's June 16th.
Oh, you have another one?
Yes, sir.
I remember I patronized you last year.
Yes, that's last year, sir. But now it's now, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. June 16th, sir.
Where?
A Cove Hotel and Suites.
All right.
Time is 6 p.m.
6 p.m. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What's the title of the show?
Is Ainos son.
Oh, all right. Okay, I saw it somewhere.
Right.
And who is this Ainos son?
He's
Oh, don't worry. You got to explain it to the audience, man.
Yes.
All right. So what can I do for you now?
I want you to help me to promote the show, sir. To talk about it so that people will come.
The Funny Bone.
Sir?
Last year, did I charge you money to promote your show?
No, sir. You know I'm like a son to you, sir.
Leave the sun out of it. Now, this time around, nothing goes for nothing. You have to bring in something.
Sir, you know you are like a father figure to me, sir.
Leave out the father figure. Let's do business. So what are you willing to bring in?
Sir, you know I look up to you, sir.
Don't look up to me. Look down on me. What are you hoping to sacrifice?
Sir, you are like a role model.
Leave about that. That's blackmail. Funny Bone, sir. I did it for you last year free of charge. This year you have to bring in something.
Sir, you are like a father to me, sir.
Stop that.
I'm very sorry, sir. Sir, please, sir. I'm very sorry, sir. Sir, please, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Sir, please, sir.
Funny Bone,
Sir,
you think you're smart.
sir, please.
This time you have to
Nice
pay.
sacrifice, please. I'm just a comedian, sir. Sir, if you turn me into my own ticket, sir, who will perform for them, sir? Sir, I'm just a comedian, sir. Sir, please, audience, help me beg him. Help me beg him. Who will perform? He has turned me to premium table ticket. Oh, have sacrificed me.